migranteng magkakawang Pinoy, halipin ng pamilya at bansa. Ang Migrant Workers Day nato has been a national institution, has been an annual institutional event of COA. This is to give honor to the OFWs for their invaluable contribution and to give them due recognition for the hard work and sacrifices they have done for their families and of course to the country as well. So kaya today we will recognize OFWs and their dependents who are beneficiaries ng ating mga programs and services who have shown for succeeding and showcasing exemplary achievements, showing giving good practices, success and the assistance granted to them by all. We have identified BPBH program beneficiaries, Pilipinas talaga ang buhay natin ng mga program beneficiaries. We will be awarding tulong puso projects to deserving OFCs who have successfully completed sa ating mga program requirements. We will give due recognition sa ating mga scholars, mga SCOAs, who have ministered tertiary education with Latin honors, as well as maghatag ng award sa ating mga SCOA graduates who have successfully passed their licensure examinations. So with that, kalisawan at andam o mga funds, games, and other surprises, may mga paragot kita para sa mga participants and nakakailangan sa inyo during registration ng mga t-shirts. So I hope everyone will have a good day and will enjoy the celebration. So again, welcome everyone and thank you for coming.
Thank you so much, Director, for the very warm welcome message to our guests, OFWs, and families who are present today.
Okay.